Hey guys, welcome back. So just want to do an update on my 2.6 gallon freshwater tank. I still have my guppies and my small tetras, but I want to clean things up a little bit, especially the hair algae. So I'm going to get down to it and I'm going to take care of this hair algae, and I'm going to show you guys a few steps on how to do that. One, I'm going to do some manual removal, which means I'm going to remove as much as I can by hand and by water change. Then I'm also going to shut down the lights on the aquarium completely for the next 2 days, and then I'm going to have them on for only 3 hours a day. Currently they're on for 8 hours a day, and that promotes hair algae. I'm going to cut them down so that this way we can still keep our freshwater plants alive, but try to starve off the hair algae with manual removal and shorter light duration. Also, I am going to cut down on the feeding, so I'm going to shut this auto feeder off. I'm just going to shut the door on it so that it still turns and stays on the same feeding schedule. But this way, I'm just going to manually feed my fish every 3 days. So I'm going to still be able to keep them happy and so that they don't starve. But I don't want to feed the tank every day and keep feeding on this algae. So this might be a 2-week process, might even take a whole month. But we're going to get down to it and we're going to clean things up. So let's get right to it. Now this is dechlorinated tap water.